All right, let's graph an example of an absolute value function. So here I have the example y equals 3 times open absolute value x plus 4 close absolute value minus 2. And the first thing I want to do is get it written in the form that we are familiar with. So we've discussed this before. Y equals a times open absolute value x minus h close absolute value plus k, where we know that h and k are our vertex. So rewriting this equation, we can rewrite it to look like this by, we want a minus sign here. What are we subtracting, and then what are we adding out here? So this is a little trivial, but you can rewrite this equation as y equals 3 times open absolute value x minus negative 4 close absolute value plus negative 2, right? We know that minus negative 4 is the same thing as x plus 4. So this expression right here is equivalent to this expression. We also know that plus negative 2 is the same thing as minus 2. So I've just rewritten it to look like this form that we're familiar with. So now that we have this form that we're familiar with, it's easy to read off the vertex. The vertex is negative 4, comma, negative 2. So I'm going to plot the vertex, negative 4, negative 2 on my graph. And now I'm going to use A to identify the slope to the right of the vertex. The slope to the right of the vertex is 3. And the slope to the left of the vertex is just the opposite of the slope to the right. It is negative 3. So graphing this function, starting at the vertex, let's graph to the right. We're going to use our positive slope of 3 and go up 1, 2, 3 over 1. Up 1, 2, 3 over 1. And we know this is a positive slope because as we move to the right, the graph is going up. So let's connect that to make a straight line. Okay, and this is the right-hand branch for absolute value function. Now let's use the slope to the left of the vertex, which is negative 3, to graph the opposite side. Now, if you just remember what an absolute value function looks like, you know that you should see a mirror image along this line of symmetry at x equals negative 4. So starting at the vertex, I'm still going to go up 3, 1, 2, 3. It's just now I'm going to go to the left 1. So that's my next point. I'm going to go up 3 again, 1, 2, 3, and to the left 1. And if you look at this slope, this is the slope of negative 3. To get from this point over here to the left, I have to go down 3 and right 1. Or another way of looking at it is as I move to the right, the line is going down. So let's connect this with a straight line. All right, and that's it. You have graphed the function y equals 3 times open absolute value x plus 4 close absolute value minus 2.